Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be working more on key details. You will need a partner for this activity. So if you do not already have a partner, pause the video and go and find one. Welcome back. Now you and your partner need to sit elbow to elbow and knee to knee with the iPad in between you so you both can hear what's being said. Pause the video while you get situated. Welcome back. We are going to look into this book again, Touch It, Materials, Matter, and You. And we're going to look at the same passage about the material mosaic. I'm going to have you do a different activity, a little bit different than what we did yesterday. But I'm going to go ahead and read it and review the key details that I found the last time we read this passage. Are your listening ears ready? Okay, great. Here we go. Material mosaic. Use different materials to make a mosaic picture. You will need small objects made of different materials, such as stones, buttons, coins, beads, shells, pasta, or seeds. A muffin tin, white glue, a small piece of cardboard. Now what to do? 1. Sort your objects into groups of the same material. You might have one group of stones, another of plastic objects, and another of metal, for example. Now use one muffin cup, not the whole tin, one muffin cup for each group. 2. Make a mosaic picture by gluing the objects to the cardboard. What's happening? Your picture is made of objects made from different materials. Some objects, such as a wood button, are made of one material. Other objects, such as pasta, are made of more than one material. The little bear says, "This tricycle is made of many different materials." I see metal and maybe some rubber for the tire and some plastic up here on the handlebar, perhaps. Many different materials. Now, boys and girls, let's review the key details that I found about what we would need, what was most important for making this material mosaic when we read this the last time. I highlighted 2 key details, small objects. That was all the different things in here. And a muffin tin. That was 2 key details that I found that I thought were important, so I wanted to share that finding with you. Today, with your buddy, you're going to look at that same passage, but I want you to find different key details. So pause the video and find different key details. Welcome back. Boys and girls, did you find some more key details? Great. I found some too. Let me show you what I found. I found white glue, another important thing, and a small piece of cardboard. Would it have been okay for me to have said a key detail was that I needed to sort the objects? Absolutely. There are many key details in the text. I only highlighted 4 of them. Boys and girls, you did a great job finding those key details. Give yourselves a pat on the back.